finally, on our way to Israel, we went south to Marseille, and side trips to Toulon, and there we confronted the transition camps. They were huts with bunks, families on one side, single people on the other, men, women separated. The French were very, very helpful in that regard. This was a camp at a place called La Ciotat, ironically, just north of Nice and Cannes, all of these luxury resort towns. We also took some time to hitchhike to Cannes. I have a picture of myself on the beach at Nice with a bottle of wine, a loaf of bread, and cheese, of course, living out the college boy's dream of life at Nice. But the reality of what was going to face us in Israel really struck us in Marseille. This was 1949. There were still masses of Jews moving out of Europe, the survivors of the concentration camps, and the North African Jewish community driven out of Algeria, Morocco, Tunisia, the whole African belt, and awaiting board ship. And then for the first time I saw what Sherita Pleta, the residue of the refugees, looked like. And with these people, we boarded a ship to go to now it's Israel. It's now December 1949. And we get on board this ship. And within 24 hours, the toilets are completely stuffed, and the floors are awash. So we climb up on the deck. We spent the whatever 24, 48 hours on deck getting to Israel. And that was a very interesting and important introduction to what it means to absorb hundreds of thousands of refugees of wildly assorted backgrounds,